Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi with CHUWI UBook X. To do this, we'll need to click on the Wi-Fi signal in the bottom right corner of the screen, then activate the Wi-Fi, make sure that it's on. You should see the list of all networks that are available. You can click on one that you know the password for, select connect, then we'll need to enter the security key for that Wi-Fi, and let's enter it. Then click next. And here we have it, our Wi-Fi is connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.